Today we're going to take a look at real-life application problems using Pythagorean theorem. How can I use Pythagorean theorem to solve real-life problems? We're going to use 3 easy steps. Step 1, we're going to draw. We're going to use, and we're going to solve. Let's read the real-life application problem. It says, for safety reasons, the base of a 24-foot ladder must be placed at least 8 feet from the wall. How high up the wall can the ladder safely reach? Step number 1, draw a picture representing the situation. So here's our picture. A ladder placed at least 8 feet from the wall. Step 2, we are going to use the Pythagorean theorem to solve for the missing length. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. They gave us c, they gave us b. A is what's in question. Step 3, we're going to solve. Using the information given, we're going to plug it into our formula. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. So we have a squared plus 8 squared equal 24 squared. 8 squared, 64. 24 squared, 576. We're going to do the inverse operation. Subtract 64 on both sides, leaving us with a squared is equal to 512. How do we undo a square? We find the square root. A is equal to the square root of 512, or 22.6 feet. Hope that's making sense. Now it's your turn. So you're going to draw, use, and solve the given problem. First you're going to do is find the length of the segment. So pause the video and give it a try. Let's see what you got. So step 1, you're going to draw that picture. So I'm going to give you a chart that's going to help you extract the keywords. The problem reads, a lighthouse is 130 kilometers due west and 50 kilometers due north of a sailboat. How far is the sailboat from the lighthouse? So let's extract some information. So 130 kilometers due west, and if I look at my chart, the west is my base and my bottom. So I create that picture. So it's 130 kilometers, and it says 50 kilometers due north. So I look at my keywords and create my picture. It's 50 kilometers due north. How far is the sailboat from the lighthouse? The next step is we're going to use the formula. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. We're going to plug in the given information. 130 squared plus 50 squared equals c squared. Let's solve. 16,900 plus 2,500 is equal to c squared. Let's add, leaving us with 19,400. How do we undo a square? We find the square root, leaving us with 139.3 kilometers. That is how far the sailboat is from the lighthouse. Hope that makes sense. Hope you got it right. Remember, you can always pause, rewind, rewatch as many times as you like.